guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to make bread in Minecraft. Okay, it's like a whole process. So the first thing, also please like and subscribe, it helps the YouTube algorithm. Also, now I'm getting to the part where you actually gotta learn. Okay, so what you're gonna do is break these. Sooner or later one will pop up, but you might have to break a bunch. Okay, I'm gonna break 3 more if it doesn't pop out. I'm gonna just gonna show you guys. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, if you keep breaking those, these seeds will come out. It also attracts chickens. You don't get any, I'm sorry. Okay, so next thing you're gonna want to do is get your own hoe. You have to make a hoe. And just go like this. You can plant crops. Just like that. Just literally tap the floor. And then you're just going to want to tap it. And then go just do seeds. And I'm going to fast forward for them to grow. Hello again, guys. Okay, so they finally growed. It took forever. Okay, so next thing you're going to want to do after your crops are grown is hit them. Well, usually, since I'm on creative mode, it won't drop anything. So let's do a survival experience. /game mode. Oh my gosh. Survival. Okay, there we go. See what? Drop wheat. You will get enough wheat, and usually you'll finish your farming. I have a crafting bench out there, so I can do it. But then it was 3 pieces of wheat can make a bread. And if you're hungry, you can just eat some wheat, but I'm not hungry as usual. Well, bye guys!